hindi naging madali ang mag-evict ng 4 na beer gyms.
True.
At ang
Ang naiwan lang?
naiwan, si Casey at si Given.
At syempre, nagpa-audition tayo ng mga bagong beer jeans. At nahihirapan ang ating staff na mamili.
Oo, kasi ang
last week,
dami.
Diba nakita mo, ang dami pinagkitang
Oo.
faces.
Excited na tayong lahat. So tonight, makikilala na natin ang ating 2 new beer gyms.
Imagine best. United Colors of Benito na tayo rito. Bakit ka mo? Si Casey, Pinoy, Lebanese, Italian, Indian mix. Si Given naman, Spanish, Chinese, Pinay. Tayo lang ata tong half Pinoy, half Pinay.
Half Shih Tzu. Tawagin na natin ang ating newest beer gyms na sina...
Charles Gare na Persian, Turkish, at ang Koreana na si Jinri Park.
Welcome.
Maganda gabi.
Oh, maganda gagi.
Si Charles Gare.
Charles.
Here. Which one?
Where are you from, Charles?
I'm Persian, Turkish, American.
And you are Jinri Korean.
Yes, I'm Korean.
You never speak Tagalog? You don't speak Tagalog at all? Oh, with accent.
I'm from Cebu, actually.
Ako'y Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Pero maawag
Cebuana.
Bisaya.
Konti, no.
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang.
Talaga? Unsa may imugi mo sa Cebu, day?
Okay, that's too fast.
Unsa may imugihi mo sa Cebu? What are you doing in Cebu?
Oh, my parents live there.
But your parents are Korean?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yeah.
No Bisayan?
No, wala. No.
No, wala. Okay. So, best, alam mo na, pag bagong beer gyms dito, may binyagan, dapat may walk pa. Okay? So, Charles and Jinri, get ready for 1, 2, 3, whoop-pa!
Very good. And guys, for now, you will be with us. Yung kamay ko naman talaga, di ba? As on the job training to be a beer gym.
If you do well, then you can stay with us longer. So, good luck.
Good luck!
Thank you very much. Okay. Patuloy pa rin ang auditions for more beer gyms. Kaya kung feeling mo, kaya mong talbugan yung dalawa, nakita mo, best mo. May mga bukol-bukol dito.
Mag-audition na kayo kung kaya nyo silang talbugan.
At magbabalik pa po ang...